Hello everyone, welcome to fluttercoder.in. In last video, we have seen that how we can display the interest rate advertisement for our Flutter mobile application. In this video tutorial, we will be going to see that how we can display the rewarded advertisement for our mobile application, and we can utilize the reward that we have configured from, or we need to deliver to the users. So for that, first we need to go back to the Google AdMob, go to our specific applications that we have created, like for the both of the platform for Android and iOS. We need to go to the ad unit and we need to create the ad units for that. And for that, we need to create the rewarded advertisement over here. So we just need to provide the ad unit names. We need to provide the reward setting, what is the reward amount or the reward item that we need to define over here. And once it is created, we need to copy the ad unit ID from here, and that we will be using in our ad helper class. So same as the banner and the interest rate ad, we will be going to have our rewarded ad unit ID as well. And for demo perspective, we will be using our test ad unit IDs. So for Android, we will be going to have this one, and for iOS, we will be going to have this one. Now, as we have seen that once user go on the particular screen, we will be just defining the one reward advertisement instance over here. So that will be the rewarded ad. Next, in the init state, we will be loading the rewarded ad. We will be defining this method. Let me just doing this from here to here. Add dot load dot request rewarded, oops, and rewarded add loaded callback. And here we will need to define that what will happen when the ads get loaded. So there we will be having the ad that we will be setting ad, and what will happen when the ads loading gets resulted into the failure. So for that, we will be just having to print the error message. And with this one, we will be having the full screen content callback. So full screen content callback, full screen content callback, add dismiss full screen content. Dispose the ad and set the rewarded ad is equals to null, and again load the rewarded ad. So this is when the full screen content are being dismissed. We will be disposing the current advertisement that is being displayed. We will be assigning null to the rewarded ad, and we will again load the rewarded ad with the new instance that we will be having. So now the setup is done. Once the rewarded ad gets loaded, now we need to display this rewarded ad on some instance. So for that, we will be going to use the floating action button. We will be going to define the on phrase for that, and we are going to display the dialogues. So bundle and so the next one live. These will let you continue the game from where you left off, and we'll be defining the actions. So those will be the text button, another text button that will be purchase, and this will be popping up that rewarded at dot show on user earned reward. We'll just display it. Continue with the game. Yeah. So let me run this now. So let's wait for the things to take effect. So this is the floating action button. We forgot to put any icon over here, so just displaying. And let me just turn off this as well, the timer that we have. So the fonts get loaded, and let me also set the floating action button. So now when we click on it, it will display the dialog. Want to install like this will let you continue the game from where you left off. Dismissing it will dismiss the dialog, and once we click on the purchase, this will display the rewarded ad. And as we can see that it is displaying that reward, it will be there in particular seconds. So once we click on dismiss, the reward will be get loaded in our product. So you have earned a reward to continue with the game. So that was the message that we have printed while utilizing, or when the user earned reward was getting successful. So this is how we can configure the rewarded ad for the Google AdMob platform, and we can integrate that in our Flutter mobile application using the Google Mobile Ads SDK to display the rewarded ad and to get user utilize the rewards. Thank you very much for doing this guide, and keep subscribed to learn more about the Flutter basics and the advanced topics that we will be going to keep continue posting in near future.